secrets it's never told. A sparrow flits through the sleepy haze. Soft footsteps echo in a quiet maze. Whispers of dawn calling me home, where the clouds are soft and I'm never alone. Whispers of dawn where dreams belong, a melody woven in morning song. The earth feels warm though the sun is shy. Do you want The sun is a whisper on the leaves. Soft shadows dance where no one sees. The wind hums low through golden trees, whispers secrets in the breeze. I catch a glimpse of what we were, a fading path, a hidden stream where sunlight dances soft and clean. I chase the echoes of your laugh. Falling leaves, falling time, moments slipping through the rhyme. Hold them close, hold them. Seasons change, but you're still here. A scarf unwinds the chill.
मेरे बीच बीच में रुकना ठीक है, मुझे छोड़ के बस चले जाना. Wow, it is so pretty. A scarf unwinds, the chill sets in, your hand in mine. Where do we begin? We walk the line upon the air. Every step, every sigh carries autumn's lullaby.
We walk the lines of yesterday. The lanterns glow, the world slows down. A quiet town, no need to sound the words. They rest upon the air. The wind hums low through golden trees, whispers secrets in the breeze. I catch a glimpse of what we were, a fading path, a hidden stream where sunlight dances soft and clean. I chase the echoes of your laugh. Falling leaves, falling time, moments slipping through the rhyme. Hold them close, hold them near. The seasons change, but you're still here. A scarf unwinds, the chill sets in. Your hand in mine, where do we begin? We walk the lines of yesterday. The lanterns glow, the world slows down. A quiet town, no need to sound the words. They rest upon the air. Every step, every sigh carries autumn's love.